Hey, are you interested in learning? Check out our videos. Want more knowledge content? Make sure you've subscribed to our channel.
Automation has always been a big part of technology. But now, with the rise of AI agents and tools like n8n, automation is reaching a whole new level. So today, let us understand how you can automate complete AI workflows using n8n combined with AI agents, without writing a single line of traditional code. If you have never used n8n before, think of it as a visual automation platform, similar to Zapier or Make, but open source and highly customizable. Instead of manually connecting APIs or writing long scripts, you can simply drag and drop nodes, like building blocks, to connect different services together. Now, where it becomes really interesting is when we start combining n8n with AI agents. Imagine this. You want an AI agent that can read emails, summarize them, and then automatically send the summary to Slack. Normally, this would take multiple scripts and APIs. But with n8n, this entire workflow can be built visually, in minutes. Let us conceptually break this process down. In n8n, you start by defining a trigger. For example, when a new email arrives. Then you add a processing node where your AI agent comes into play. This is where the real intelligence happens. You can call your AI agent's API, pass the email content as input, and let it perform a task like summarization, classification, or even decision-making. Once your AI agent returns the result, you can add action nodes. For instance, send the summary to Slack, update a Notion page, or save the result in a Google Sheet. This flow runs automatically every time the trigger happens. No human involvement required. Now, many AI tools and frameworks like LangChain, CrewAI, and OpenAI GPTs already provide APIs that can easily be integrated into n8n. You can even build your own lightweight AI agent hosted on Docker or any cloud, and connect it to n8n through a simple HTTP request node. Let's take an example. Say you are running a small business and you get customer feedback emails every day. You could create a workflow in n8n where it automatically fetches new emails, passes each message to an AI agent for sentiment analysis, updates a Google Sheet with the result, and finally sends a summary report to you on Slack at the end of the day. That's a complete AI-powered automation. No coding, no manual effort, and it runs around the clock. Now here's the beauty. n8n supports dozens of integrations out of the box. You can connect tools like Google Drive, Airtable, Trello, GitHub, Discord, Slack, AWS, and many others. When you add AI agents into this ecosystem, you are essentially giving your automations the ability to think and reason. For example, an AI agent could decide, if a support ticket sounds urgent, escalate it to the on-call engineer. Or, if a sales email has a positive tone, send it to the marketing CRM. It is not just automation anymore. It becomes intelligent automation. Now, let us talk about how to actually host and run this. You can run n8n on your local system using Docker or deploy it to any cloud platform. You can even use free hosting options like Render or Railway for small workflows. Once your instance is live, you simply log into the web interface and start building your flows visually. If you want to make it even more powerful, you can integrate your AI agent via OpenAI API or any other LLM endpoint you prefer. And yes, n8n also allows you to store credentials securely, schedule flows, and add conditional logic, so you can create very advanced automations without ever touching code. As someone who teaches tech and automation, I often say this: n8n is not just a tool, it is a bridge between AI intelligence and real-world actions. It lets you take an AI model that normally just generates text or insights and turn that into real automated business results. Whether you are building an AI assistant that manages your tasks, an agent that processes documents, or a system that syncs data between multiple apps, n8n and AI agents together give you the flexibility and control to automate almost anything. So next time you see a repetitive process, think, can I let an AI agent handle this automatically through n8n? Chances are, yes, you absolutely can.
How did you feel? Is it helpful? Appreciate our efforts in the comment section below. Hit like button, share with your friends about us, subscribe our channel to get further updates. Stay connected with us on social networking sites. For more free tutorials, visit our website www.n8guide.net.